Okugamba kwa mukuru w'ihanga okwabo mucishayi kororo kwatandika no kurayizwa kwa Andrew Ojok Oranya omutabano w'omugenzi Jacob Oranya osingira akaruruko bwa MP abwishaza rya Omoro kandi omukuru w'empanura z'ishengero ry'ihanga Anita Among yamwakira mu ishengero ry'ikuminarumwe.
I, Ojok Andrew Oranya, swear in the name of the Almighty that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda.
The people of Moro have entrusted you with all of that. And from that, you need to represent the people of Moro effectively.
Okugambira ihanga amhendo y'ebintu yeyongire Purezidenti Museveni yahiga abanyayuganda okuhinga mu mpinga y'omurembe nko kwiterera hamwe no kutorwezo mbihingwa ahabukanyisa amasharura no kutunga ebyokurya.
Full mobilization of the family so that they are all involved. We no longer have abakorera ekida kyonka, and then irrigation, and then fertilizers.
Museveni hona yoreko kwatwaho ahabwa aba barukutwara here bihingwa bitongezibwaho mutindo na munonga pamba omwane nebindi ngo nibaferezi hanga sente nyamwingi.
Is that anything agriculture that is not consumed fresh should be processed industrially so that it is preserved to be able to reach distant markets and also add value to the raw materials.
Yagaruka yagira ngutaro kwija kwikireza mate nebyo bwiga bwo mwitaka nko butari hamwe nezabu okugaruka kushobora heri hanga bitongezibwaho mutindo. President Museveni yaraganasa kwija kurabira mu ndijo miringo nko kugamba na mukuru w'ihanga rya Russia Vladimir Putin akikiriza amajuta gakagaruka kutimba mu bwingi rere mihende kagaruka hansi.
Instead, we are doing two things. One is to engage the global actors that have caused these artificial shortages. I have contacted some of the actors. I'm in touch with all these wonderful people. I'm glad H.E. Biden is going to Saudi Arabia to meet the Crown Prince to get OPEC to pump more petroleum out of the ground.
Abanyishengero batari bamwe na bamwe hine bagamba ha speech ya mukuru w'ihanga.
Cyaba next event tegateka nkimwe ito abatuye tuganira tukugira ngo hati ihanga ryitu aho ryahika twaza kongera ambientation twongera mu kutereza na nebyo emishoro nebyo bikaza hansi tuinegarike nyuma nk'ihanga tukinvestinga ombinte bakweta productive sectors.
Yarya kintu cyo kugira ngo okutwara ebintu bitari mu value ninga kutwara ebintu bitari process nibatusera batunyigira cyane nkenda kandi ikintu kiyanshemeza no kugira ngo ya opening up yagira ngo we are ready no kuganira naba investors bona abarkwenda kuta value omukintu cyo mwani
atwereke yanga ryito kuryemerire kuyantuzo mu bizibu bya covid no kuyana nembera zone zabireho konka economy yitu terasiskire eriyo neyongera kubaho
murimo gwazagarukira bakamabago abo kuba abantu baha kuba kubano bari kushubura umwani bakabana bo bagongeraho umutindo kandi yayongera yagira ngo naija kubayamba okongeraho umutindo.
Okugamba kwa mukuru w'ihanga kweri izoba kwabo ko murundo rwa kabiri mu ishengero ry'ikuminarumwe kandi okurugera hari President Museveni nubwo abanyayuganda bari kucarabwe mihendo y'ebintetembere munonga ihanga ryeyongire kutunguka ambientation kandi riterezemo mirundo 30 mu myaka 30. Ahabwa TV West nda Aidan Bataringa ya hamwe na Jimmy Muhumuza.